I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Confirm your Facebook app ID and domain are correct in the app settings, and make sure open graph tags exist on the page. Once done, run the URL through Facebook's sharing debugger so you can see precisely what Facebook reads and clear the cache. If the debugger reports missing tags or permissions, fix those immediately. If it returns an old image, reuse the debugger's scrape action to refresh Facebook's copy. Next, update the page markup. Place accurate OG title, OG description, OG image, and use absolute URLs for images so Facebook can fetch them. Then confirm your share implementation. Either include the current Facebook SDK snippet and initialize it properly, or use the simple sharer. PHP link for basic shares. If you're using programmatic share dialogues or extended scopes, make sure your app passed app review and the required permissions are granted. Otherwise, Facebook will block some share features. Finally, retest the share flow on multiple devices and browsers. Use the sharing debugger again to confirm the final scraped values. Deploy changes and purge any CDNs or server caches so Facebook can fetch the latest tags. If you still see wrong images or titles, make sure your site serves the same canonical URL and uses HTTPS consistently, because mismatched URLs often prevent Facebook from associating the right metadata. If problems persist, reopen the debugger and inspect the returned raw HTML.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.